So you may have picked up one of the new Samsung Galaxies, and you might be trying to figure out how you can use Galaxy AI on your Samsung phone. Now, here's the thing: there's not really like a certain Galaxy AI application that just is a Galaxy AI app. There's a lot of different things that Samsung threw into our phones that will basically give us all these AI features. So the first thing is, as you may know, there's a lot of different things that Samsung added within Galaxy AI. So basically, there's a lot of things built in. As you can see, we'll talk about circle to search, but there's a lot of cool things across the board. So the first thing is circle to search. Basically, on your Galaxy, bar at the very bottom, or if you even have the gestures, all you have to do is hold down on the bottom bar right here, and you'll basically get into this circle to search button. So if you want to, you can just circle to search, and this is kind of part of Galaxy AI right now. It's going to be free, I think, forever because it's a cool feature, but that's genuinely a very cool thing. Holding it down right there will allow you to search for things literally without even having to like type anything down. So that's a very cool thing. Generative edit is another cool feature within our gallery application. So we can go into gallery here, and if we click on the edit button, which is down here, there's going to be some really cool features that we're going to have now. And whenever you see this type of feature, that basically means that's kind of like an Galaxy AI feature. So you can see the advanced intelligence feature right here, and it tells you a couple of things in the cool ways that's kind of enhanced. You can click continue, and you can see that basically you'll have to have a Samsung account in order to use it. But that's an option that you have there, which is genuinely very, very cool. So you can go and edit up your photos here. So that's another option that you have as well. So I'm going to go back into here. Hopefully I click here, it should work. So hopefully it does, whatever. Also with chat assist, this is another, kind of feature that you have as well. I don't think it's supposed to be like a chat GPT like alternative, but that's another thing. You can also do the live translate, which is something that's very cool. So if you're in the middle of a phone call and let's say the other person's using it, or speaking in a different language, basically you can go ahead and have kind of like a live conversation with them without having to go ahead and basically use translate. It'll just translate it automatically. And that's another really cool thing. And the note assistant application also got some improvements here within Galaxy Eye as well. So as you use your phone, you'll just run into these features as you kind of run through them. And that's another really cool thing going on for our Android devices. So that's basically how to use Galaxy AI on your Galaxy phone. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll be so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.